Joe, Lieutenant Governor, senior members, club president, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests. Good evening to one and all.
Evening.
I'm holding a picture. Can you all see this?
Very small.
Let me tell you, it's actually a world map.
Okay.
And in the world we have total 196 countries. We have about 6,500 spoken languages. There may be more than that, which from where I have collected, they might not be, because like in India we cross every 50 kilometers. There is one more language. So this is just a there are about 7.2. In fact, more than that. Again, the same question. Some people are not counted. So it's 7.2. Roughly, there are 7.2 billion people living on this planet. There are about 8.7 million species. Now, guess what? In our whole life, how much time do we actually think to actually see through all this? Do you ever plan to travel, and do you have aim like you'll be traveling, you would like to see different places, meet new people? How many of you think like that?
Yeah.
Good to see that. So today I'll be talking about why to travel, what we get by traveling. So there are many advantages. So first of all, the reason why we should travel is we actually get to go out of our own shell. By that, what I mean is when we go out to a new place, we actually tend to think differently. We tend to find a new way to guide us. So that changes our perspective. So we also think like that when we go to a new place with one motive. Okay, we want to experience something like this. So we discover, and then we go, and then we make our own way. That way, in that manner, we tend to go off our own self. And also, it's a fact that when we go out of our comfort zone, we tend to excel. And if you are doing the same thing again, living in the same place, it's like living a normal routine life. We don't do anything new. Next reason why I think we should travel is to embrace new culture. Every country has its own culture, which we cannot experience unless we go there. Every country has its own set of cuisines. Unless we go there, and we cannot experience this. Of course, nowadays we have everything here, but we cannot say it's completely authentic. So when we go to a new place, our doors get open to appreciate new culture, new cuisine, new set of people, and we get to know how they enjoy life, how they celebrate. The third reason, what I think is, when we work, we have like server down, database down, getting calls from manager. You are not meeting the deadline. So it's important to go out and take a break, and in that way we get time to think what's the meaning of life, what we want to do. So unless we take a break and travel, I think travel is the best way to take a break and find a meaning for life. Another reason is resourcefulness. People who travel, I think it's very noted, and everyone accepts the fact that those who travel, they are very much resourceful. Whenever they are caught in a position which they are not familiar, somehow they make a way and then they get out of it. But those who don't travel very often, they actually they frown, and then they make faces, and somehow they will be a little slow in react compared to those who've been traveling and putting themselves in a situation where they have found a new, complete environment. So they are very much aware of the situation, and then they are good in making decisions. So that's one reason I think we all should travel. Another reason is when we travel, obviously we are not doing our day-to-day job. We will be very much relaxed, and it's also important to take a break. When we are relaxed, we actually get time to recharge our batteries. So when we come back to our day-to-day, we'll be very much energetic, and we'll be doing our job much more efficiently compared to the before state where we're working continuously. So these are some of the reasons which I feel is very important. We also travel, see new places, to explain my situation. I used to spend my summers in different countries. So I come from a very small town where we don't have like proper infrastructure. So my college was also there. So on my summer vacation, I used to travel to different cities, which are the bigger ones. So when I traveled for the first time, I went alone. Let's see, find out what I get. So when I reached there, there was like the technical courses were very cheap. So I enrolled for something and I learned quite a few things. So that's when I got changed. My perspective very much changed, and I started spending my vacations in different cities. So that's when I came to know that, okay, if you go out of a country, there are many different opportunities which we can explore. So that's when I came to know about Singapore. So I came to Singapore. I was expecting for a little bit change in my life, but I would say it has made a big difference. And yeah, without coming here, I'm sure I would have not met you all wonderful people. And of course, I got chance to be a part of Toastmasters, and I can see the improvement now. So this is all because of the traveling, and I would love to do it. So I encourage all of you to also find a time to travel, go to a new place, and I'm sure you all will enjoy your life. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster.